Mansdone Saxophone, Assembly. Let's install the reeds first. The front end of the reeds and the mouthpiece should be aligned, and the reeds be placed in the middle of the mouthpiece. The ligature should be slightly lower than the reeds caps. Fixed. Tighten the screw with appropriate force. Be sure to align the front and reeds in the middle. Next, assemble the curved neck. Hold your hand under the octave key. Do not press the octave key. Rotate left and right. Be sure to pay attention after assembly. The circle of the octave key and the transmission rod inside should keep a certain distance. They can't touch each other. If they collide, the saxophone will only have octave but no bass, and the playing will be abnormal, and it will shriek. We should avoid these. Now adjust the curved neck to face forward. The saxophone assembly is complete. Now start disassembly the saxophone. Loosen the screw on the right first. When disassembling, the hand is above the curved neck. You can press the octave key. Once you press the octave key, the octave key circle and transmission rod will collide. When they collide, the saxophone pronunciation will abnormal. Rotate left and right. Two hands rotating together. After removing the curved neck, the plug must be placed on. The plug is to protect this transmission rod. Once the transmission rod is deformed, the vibration of the sound will be abnormal. Put it back. The mouthpiece should be equipped with a cap to protect the reed. It can be put directly in the box. Or you can take the mouthpiece off. Put the curved neck in this position. Put on the cap for mouthpiece. Pay attention to the mouthpiece to screw planes. Put it like this. Zip it up and the saxophone is stored away.